This is a low cut wig and I'm going to be showing you how to make this realistic wig. Okay guys, so here's the expression product in color 27 that we're going to be using for this wig. The color is beautiful and each length I'm just going to go ahead and cut it into 5 portions. When I do so, it is going to look exactly like this in length. So I'm just going to go ahead and start ventilating. I ventilated most portion off camera because I didn't want this video to be so lengthy, but never mind, I'm still going to show you how you can arrive at this. So what I did is I ventilated this frontal net using the vertical method. The truth is you can actually use any method that is suitable for you, be it vertical, horizontal or diagonal, but it all depends on how well you're most comfortable while ventilating. But while I was doing this, I did both vertical and as well horizontal. And what I did is that while I'm ventilating, I ensure that not like my regular ventilation, that I don't use so many strands of hair, but because when I cut this hair, I want it to have that fullness at the top. I picked a lot of hair with my ventilating needle whilst I was ventilating. So that way, when we end up cutting the hair, it's not going to be very scanty. I don't know if that makes sense. But as soon as I'm working my way towards the front portion of the net, I would reduce the strands of hair to, let's say I was using like, let's say 5 or 4 strands of hair here. But as I'm working my way forward, I would reduce it, especially for the last, like the front line, like the two front linings at the front. I would just use like at least 2 strands of hair at most, and then one strand of hair at least. Okay, so that way is going to give this realistic hairline when you do that. Okay guys, so guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing my video for the very first time, you're highly welcome to this space. Thank you for stopping by, and please guys, do not make it your last. You're free to join this family. Hit the red subscribe button and then turn on your post notification bell so you get notified anytime I get to post a new video. Okay, and then guys, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. So I'm done with the ventilation and I'm just going to go straight up and use this particular wig net for the wig. Okay, so this is the wig net I'm going to be using. You use a wig net that has hole, I don't know, has hole that you can actually pass through your crochet pin underneath it. So I'm going to place this frontal that I've already ventilated. I'm going to place it at the front of this wig cap and on the mannequin head. And if you notice, I'm not putting it exactly. I moved it forward a bit more than the black nets. Okay, so this is how it is. I've placed it already and I'm just going to go ahead and sew in the frontal. I'm going to sew the frontal on the wig nets. I don't know, just going to go ahead and sew the frontal on the net. Okay guys, have you subscribed? You haven't? Hit it now. Hit that subscribe button and do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Here is the kinky hair. I'd already cut into 6 portions, and I'm going to take my crochet pin and just go ahead to crochet the kinky hair on the wig cap, okay, wig net. So here is the, I'm going to be using my small crochet pin, not the big one, because I don't want the lace nets, the wig net to rip out while ventilating. Hence I'm going to be using the smaller crochet pin for this crochet process. Okay, so what you do, you take a little amount of hair, pass it through the crochet pin, and then pass it through the loop and draw it out like so. Again, take your crochet needle, pass it through the wig nets, put your hair, and then pass it on it, draw it out, close the ledge, and then bring it out again, and the process continues. I'm through the crochet process. The next thing is to just go ahead and start trimming out the hair. So I'll just go ahead and then trim this hair out. And while I'm doing this, I want to be careful not to go down too much. I will just want to take it gradually, like gently, till I arrive at my desired length that I'm okay with. It's going to be a very, very low cut. Here is how it's looking, guys, and I'm still going to go ahead and trim it further on my head. That way I'm going to be sure how it fits my head, my face better. Okay, guys, so just go ahead and go straight up and try this low cut wig on. So here is how it is looking, guys. Okay, it's so neat, and I've gone straight up to install it on, and this is what it is looking like. Look at this, guys. Look at this beauty. Oh my god. I'm loving this low cut. I don't need to cut my hair to know how low cut is going to look on me. And I hope it suits me. I don't know, guys. Just tell me what you think in the comment section. If it's something you want to try. Okay. But I'm loving this look. And here is how the back portion is looking like, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in my next